Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talking about something really happens for Salesforce users. So that is sometimes or by mistakenly you delete a record in Salesforce, but later you realized that record is important and you need that back. So don't worry, Salesforce has a recycle bin for this. Let's see how to delete and also restore the record step by step. In Salesforce organization, it's a simple thing. Think like a recycle bin of your computer. When you delete something, it does not disappear immediately. It stay there sometimes, so you can recover it if needed. So first we need to delete one record. So how to delete a record? So first I will go to account object. In here you can see I have two records. One is upsell energy and second one is also upsell energy. So what I think, so both are same. So that's why I just delete one record. So now the record is completely deleted. So once I deleted, what happened? The record is deleted from account object. You can see I don't have any upsell energy except one. So what beginners thinks the record is deleted permanently, but it's not like that. It goes to the recycle bin. So then how we can navigate to recycle bin? So just click on 9.app launcher. Just type recycle bin. So you can see we have a recycle bin. So if you open the recycle bin, you can see that record. So the record is deleted 18th 4 2026 11:24. Whatever you deleted, that will be present in first. Based on the deletion order, it will present. So I need to recover this record. How to recover? You just need to click on drop down. In here, we have an option like restore. If you click on restore, automatically the record remove from recycle bin and restore to your account record. So currently you can see again upsell record is to restored. So this one is recently restored thing. Once you restore, the record is back like nothing happened. It exactly contains what are the data present in before deleting. So this is how we can retrieve. Some things we need to remember when we are using delete and recycle bin. Record stay in recycle bin around 15 days only. After 15 days, it will automatically remove from the memory or recycle bin. In here, Salesforce consider storage limit. Older record may get deleted earlier, like that. The important thing is if the record is important, restore it quickly. Admin can see and restore more records. In real-time examples for this, like you delete a customer account by mistake, your manager asks for it next day. So in that time, no need to get panic. Just go to recycle bin, restore it, done. One mistake many people do, like they wait too long. After 15 days, it's gone forever. So not able to recover it. All the data will be erased. So yeah, this is how we can delete and restore records by using recycle bin in Salesforce. So very simple but super important feature. So I hope you understand how we can restore the deleted record by using recycle bin.